it's me, NeeCJae. Today I'm coming to you with it's me, NeeCJae. Today I want to come to you with makeup tips. If you are interested in seeing this video, then keep on watching. I haven't done a video like this in quite some time, and so I received a couple of emails asking me what happened to Makeup Tip Tuesday or Makeup Tip Thursday. So I decided to bring it back. I'm going to actually share, I have a question that was emailed to me, and I promised I would answer it in my next video. So here we go. So I'm gonna do the question last that was presented to me. But the first thing is I wanted to talk about eyeshadows. Now there are a lot of eyeshadows. I mean, I see a lot of YouTubers and young YouTubers using a lot of shimmers. Now I love shimmer eyeshadows. I do. However, as you age, you cannot continue to use, well, let me not say you cannot. I choose not to use shimmers as much because as you age, shimmers kind of advertise the fine lines and wrinkles right above your eyes. And when we get older, the skin around your eyes is very thin, so it tends to, if there's any wrinkles or any kind of fine lines right up in this area, shimmer eyeshadows will show it just like that. I don't like to advertise any kind of fine lines. You don't want to advertise those. So do not have to eliminate the shimmers. Let me just show you a quick trick what you can do. Now, this is a palette that I love with a bunch of shimmers, and they have mattes, okay? So if I'm applying a shimmer, I would take a matte color that's maybe somewhere, maybe that color, and apply over top of it like I have now. Okay, I have on this Just Peachy Mattes. I love this palette because I love mattes. Mattes are just my thing. I love some mattes. So this is what I have on. I have between Peach Cobbler, Peach Tart, and what is it? Just Peachy, okay? And I applied, this is the Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette that I received in my Boxy Luxe box, which I love, and I will put the link in the description box below. But I love this eyeshadow palette. It's beautiful, okay? Beautiful. But this is a On Fleek. Is a shimmer, okay? And So Jelly is a shimmer. And so I applied a little bit of these two right up here with my fingertip, and then went back, because I do love shimmers, and applied this matte Just Peachy right here. Right, that color right there. Matte eyeshadows are wonderful to me. I love them. I just like the way they go on, and especially now with mature skin, I just like things to stay in place. I don't want to advertise any kind of fine lines or wrinkles. So yes, that's my tip today with shimmer eyeshadows. If you see that fine lines are appearing in those shimmers, just add a little bit of the same color in that family of a matte eyeshadow right on top of it, and it will stop that, and it will look flawless and really pretty. I do this all the time. So I hope that helps some of you, someone that maybe that love shimmers and have an issue with shimmer eyeshadows lately. So just see a big difference in how they apply on your eyes. So anyway, let me stop, because you know I will ramble. You all know that. So anyway, let me get back to the email that I received. I received this email from Just Happy as B. Okay, so I wanted to answer your question. How do I keep my skin looking fresh and dewy and have a glow? Okay, I have dry skin. So anytime I'm applying foundation, any kind of, let's say foundation, concealer, anything to that point, I always moisturize my skin thoroughly. And I will put a link in the description box below, daytime remedy and routine, what I do, and the moisturizers that I do use. I do my regular routine. Then I follow with highlighter. Highlighter is what I use, and this is from Becca, and this one is Opal. I like the Opal from Becca. Let me just show you how it looks. That's all. The simple answer, I wanted to just make it like it was something big, but it's not. It's highlighter, okay? And I take my little highlighter brush, and this is, like I said, is Opal from Becca, and I just put it right here and up on around my nose and around this area right here. It just gives me a not so dry look. So highlighter is the answer to that. I really do not use a lot of setting powders, okay? Even when I conceal, because it tends to make my skin drier, especially in this time of year. So I opt for setting sprays. And so once I apply everything on my face, my foundation, my highlighter, I set with and also a illuminating fixing spray. This one just happened to be Revolution by Revolution. I like this one, Pro Fix, really good. I am enjoying this setting spray. Another tip, if you use concealer, you do not have to use setting powder. Now you can use it to set it, but it's not, makeup is what works for you, okay? So if setting powder is making you crease and you see more fine lines and wrinkles every time you set, stop setting it. Just use setting spray. It works just as good. I promise you, I rarely set my foundation with setting powders, and it lasts all day long. It still gives me my dewy, glowy look. I don't have to powder, so I don't have oily skin, so I don't have to touch up, so I don't have that issue. But I do have the dry skin, and lately my skin this winter is feeling wonderful. Well, it's not quite winter yet, but so far so good. Anyway guys, I will keep rambling on. You know how I do. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, for my new subscribers, welcome. You are now part of the NeeCJae family. For my oldies and goodies, and you know who you are, thank you so very much each and every time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really, really greatly appreciate it, and I love you guys so much. So anyway, that is it. Peace and love, guys. Until next time. Mwah. Bye.